Hey, beautiful babes, it's Sweet Angel. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time visiting Beauty by Sweet Angel, welcome to you. Please don't be a stranger. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the post notification bell so you'll be in the know the next time I upload. Today, y'all, I will be sharing with you one of my beauty secrets, the best nighttime anti-aging oil for your face. Yes, this is going to do it right here. And yes, I did say for the nighttime. We're going to get started in mixing this up, and it's not hard at all. You're just going to take 1 drop of maracuja oil. Y'all, maracuja minimizes wrinkles, leaves your skin soft and smooth, and it helps to promote elasticity. Certainly it will. Just drop that into the bottle. The next thing you're going to be using is avocado oil. Just 1 teaspoon of avocado oil. It's rich in vitamins and fatty acids. It is truly a wonder carrier oil. Avocado oil also has anti-inflammatory effects, which can help to reduce the redness and inflammation associated with acne if you're experiencing that. This is a nighttime oil that's not only good for anti-aging, but for those who are still experiencing acne. The next thing we're going to use is 1 teaspoon of camellia seed oil. Camellia oil protects the skin against the abuse of external environmental elements, reduces the appearance of mature skin, and gives a nourished look to your complexion. Absolutely marvelous. And then we're going to take 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin cleanses the skin without clogging pores. It facilitates the skin's absorption of other beneficial active ingredients in natural products. It'll smooth the look of fine lines and minuscule cracks on the skin, facilitates the regeneration of new skin, and evens out the skin tone to lighten darker areas. Now, we're moving on to a ½ teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Now, you can also use vitamin E capsules as well, whichever one you have on hand. Vitamin E oil deeply moisturizes and conditions the skin, and it's great also for sensitive skin, dry skin. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that may be effective at reducing UV damage in the skin. And vitamin E, when applied topically, will help nourish and protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Then we have here 2 vitamin A capsules. Vitamin A encourages healthy skin cell reproduction. Retinol, and retinoic acid are important to cell production and growth. Vitamin A also stimulates fibroblasts, the cells responsible for developing tissue that keeps skin firm and healthy in the deep layers of the skin. And then we have 4 drops of angelica root essential oil. Angelica root essential oil helps to revitalize dull, lackluster skin. Angelica root oil can be the perfect remedy to reignite your radiance. And then we have another essential oil here, 8 drops of bergamot essential oil. Bergamot will balance oily skin. Bergamot oil can help restore some glow and shine to your skin. It can also help tighten up the skin, which slows the process of wrinkles forming and can even relax wrinkles that are already there. Amazing, huh? And then finally, 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is packed with antioxidants and omega fatty acids that work together as a therapy to soothe dryness and irritation and reduce the appearance of wrinkles, even stretch marks, and saggy skin. All of the above. All of these oils mixed together will give you the best nighttime anti-aging oil for your face. This is my secret blend, y'all. This is it. Now, if you're mixing this up, make sure you do use a amber color bottle or a cobalt bottle or any kind of glass bottle that light cannot penetrate in because of the essential oils in it. Also, again, remember to use this only at night because some of the ingredients are phototoxic. So make sure of that, or make sure if you're using it, do not stay out in the sun at all. This will help create some beautiful, beautiful skin that you'll be proud of. Massage this in and then sleep with it on and wake in the morning revitalized, beautiful, radiant skin. I love this so, so much. And not only that, it smells great too. Now listen, I also take this to a second notch. I use my roller massager on my face massager here. This one I got at Avon, but I will have linked below one that you can easily find on Amazon that's really affordable that will do just as well. You can use your massager, your jade roller, but massage this into your skin and let it soak in overnight or while you sleep. And again, over time, you'll see a magnificent difference in your skin. Beautiful babes, hey, this is it. I love this oil so much. Now, you can also take this oil if you're not just fond of oil by itself. Go ahead and put this into your favorite moisturizer. Take a few drops of it when you put on your moisturizer. Perfect for any skin type, dry, normal, oily, or sensitive. And there you go, beautiful babes. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Make sure you stay in the know by subscribing, hitting the post notification bell. And if you got something out of today's video, go ahead and drop a like on it for me. If you have any questions, please put that in the comment section. Or if you don't have anything to say, just drop me some hearts. I love hearts. And don't keep me a secret. You don't want to be glowing up while everybody else is dull. So make sure you tell everybody where you're hanging out at. Right here at Beauty by Sweet Angel. So please share me with your world. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.